How to join a WhatsApp call. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. So once you're here, you need to open a group chat which has an ongoing call. Then tap on this join option at the top panel. Then tap on this join button to join the active call on WhatsApp. Then, if you want to leave the group call, you can tap on this red button to leave the call. You can again join the call whenever you want just by following the same procedure and as long as the call is active. You can also add others into the call or even turn off your camera while in a video call. Keep in mind that you can only join if it is a group call. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and join a WhatsApp call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.